Why don't you start, Landon? The favorite thing that you've created.
That's a tough one.
Pick 3.
Pick 3.
One of my favorites would have to be, I played trumpet in band, so I found a model of a trumpet mouthpiece that you could print off and it actually worked on the instrument. And that was really cool being able to print those off, and for the minuscule price, it was like 30 cents worth of plastic compared to paying like $10 or so for an actual metal mouthpiece. And it was overall just really cool to be able to show off and be like, hey, I made this mouthpiece. You can also make them in different sizes, produce different tones and everything. So that was a really cool thing that I was able to produce.
Tell us more.
Yeah. Hold your microphone up closer here so we can all hear.
I made a one other object I made was I made a gear cube that was modeled up by one of the students in my class, and it was a whole cube that would look like a cube whenever you looked at it, but all of the corners of it were actually made from gears. So you could spin it, and it would all the gears interlocked and would spin all the way around, and then it would go back to a cube. That was something I made. I made a lot of different just little trinkets and toys off the website Thingiverse. Yeah, I've done the, like they mentioned earlier about NASA, some of the models that they've done. They have a 3D printed wrench that they have, or it's a ratcheting wrench that they sent up to space to be 3D printed off and used. And that was really cool. That I printed that off and it fully worked, everything. It ratcheted just fine. You could put a socket on there and I could loosen and tighten up a bolt with it.
Okay, so we'll come back to you at the end while you're thinking of some other stuff, because we're all just kind of fascinated by it. We want to pick your brain.